use geometry, not Riemann sums, to compute the integral. If the function in the integrand is non-negative or positive, then the integral represents the area under the curve and above the horizontal x-axis. Since we are using geometry, we must draw the graph. The graph of the function f of x equals 5 is a horizontal line, y equals 5, where the y-intercept is 5. And we integrate it from 0 to 2, not drawn to scale here. And so we're looking for the area underneath this curve y equals 5 above the x-axis from x equals 0 to x equals 2, which is the shaded area. This is the rectangle, and so the area is the height, which is 5, times the width, and the width is 2. From 0 to 2, the width is 2. And so the area is 10. And so we conclude that the integral from 0 to 2 of 5 dx equals 10. Similarly, the integral from 1 to 2 of x over 2 dx, first we draw the graph of y equals x over 2. Y equals x over 2 is the same as y equals 1 over 2x. When x equals 0, y equals 0. And we use another point to draw the line, because this is, again, f of x equals 1/2 x, which is the linear function. When x equals 2, y is, or f of 2 is 2 over 2 or 1. And so we have the graph y equals 1/2 x. And we're interested in the integral from 1 to 2 only. Not from 0 to 2, but 1 to 2. We recognize that this is a trapezoid. We rotate it 90 degrees. And this is a trapezoid because the two bases are parallel. These are the two vertical lines, so they are parallel. To find the length of the first base, we plug 1 into the function to get 1/2. And so the first base has a length of 1/2. And then we plug 2 into the function to get the length of the second base, but 1/2 of 2 is 1. So the two bases are 1/2 and 1. The height of the trapezoid, again, rotated 90 degrees. The height is 2 minus 1, or simply 1. The area of the trapezoid is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height, which is 1. And so we have 1/2 times 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. So the answer is 3 over 4. We conclude that the integral from 1 to 2 of x over 2 dx equals 3 over 4. Alternatively, we can find the area of the big triangle, subtract the area of the smaller triangle, and we will get 3 over 4 as well.